Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so installation doesn't fail mid-process. Make sure your OS, RAM, and disk space match the requirements. This prevents conflicts later. Once done, sign into or create your Matterspark account and secure the license key or subscription information you'll need. Then download the installer from the official source, check file size and checksum to avoid corrupted files. This first sequence reduces surprises and makes the subsequent steps quick and reliable. You run the installer elevated to avoid permission issues and choose custom to control which modules install. During setup, enable required background services, like the updater, and decide telemetry opt-in according to policy, because telemetry affects performance and support. Next, set the installation path and allocate cache size. For typical use, pick around 4 GB. Make sure network ports are open if Matterspark needs external access. These choices optimize performance and ensure the app integrates cleanly. You finalize by activating the product. Enter your license key, sign in, and confirm activation status so features unlock. Once activated, run the initial update and open a sample project to verify functionality. This catches missing dependencies early. If something goes wrong, first check the application logs located in your user data folder for clear errors. If needed, reinstall using safe mode to avoid interfering services. That single troubleshooting tip, review logs, usually points directly to the fix and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.